guys, we're back again. So today I'm gonna try and mount this shifter in my car. Decided to go with the KSWAP. So we're going to see if we can get this mounted to the side of this. As you see, that crap just doesn't fit, period. Like, let me see if I can get you guys a closer shot. And that's why. I'm gonna cut this off. I don't ever plan to go back to D series. Ever, period. So, I'm gonna try to get this in. That's actually a shifter out of a, God, I believe the guy said it was a 04 TSX, and the cables are here. Excuse this messy Civic, but it's now become the storage parts car while I work on it. But I'm gonna go ahead and start hacking away at this, and I'll see if I can set you guys up. I'll probably put you guys like on the time lapse or something. Hopefully I don't set the car on fire with all this crap in here. But I guess let's go ahead and get set up to that. Alright, so as you guys can see, I went ahead and did a little shaving and hammering. I'm gonna go ahead and paint that bare metal with that paint I have somewhere in here. But not the cleanest, but it'll work. This is supposed to be a budget thing. This ain't gonna be a full-on show car, blah blah blah. I mean, this is something me and you could build in a place that, you know, no garage anywhere. As you see, I'm literally in the parking space where I live at. But anyways, went ahead and got that shifter in. So I need to do something about that first of all. It's a gaping hole. I like AC, especially, you know, free AC that doesn't hurt my power, but this is a problem. I think what I'm gonna do is go ahead and take a metal plate and probably lay it over this. Yeah, lay it over this, and then bolt this to that plate and bolt the plate to this. I may just use some sheet metal, bend it over just to cover the hole up, and then put some sort of sealant around it. I'll have to do that in another video where there's a little bit more daylight, because unfortunately I do believe we are lacking a little bit of light today. It's late in the evening. I was doing another project. But I think I can get a little more light here for now. Just a little more. But I'm thinking, yeah. Plate? Second. Yeah. There we go. Just a tiny bit more light. thinking a plate that'll go either across this entire section. Yeah, so probably across this entire section. I may shave these away. This is for mounting the stock console back in. I guess part of the stock console for the shifter cover. It was shift boot and whatnot's out. I think I'll make a plate from like here across and just drill 4 holes. Maybe use these in here. But I think first I'm gonna try to size it out with some cardboard or something. Once I move it off officially, you should see like 3 on each side. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut it a little wide. So I made 2 markings here at the top. I'm gonna cut it on the first one at the very top there. Come back, lay it in the car, see how I like it. And if I feel like that's too much, I'll go ahead and cut it to the second line, which is about an inch down. I'll go from there, and I guess I don't know. I'm just gonna see if we keep it wide for now. If I need to trim some of these little edges up, that's fine. Push come to shove, I'll bend these over and use my Harbor Freight welder to just try to tack 2 or 3 to the side, just to give it some more rigidity back up in that tunnel. Although the tunnel's still pretty stiff without I guess since I didn't remove too much material. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my mess, and I will catch you guys tomorrow when I go ahead and finish this stuff. Got a lot of work with the Civic to do. A lot of work, especially you. Yeah, you Rust. No good. No, wait. I don't even. No. All that. Gotta go. There too. Wait. Yeah, there. That spot. Gone. I mean, I'm just cutting this entire section out here. Actually, I just found more Bondo there. Dang. Okay. A lot of work doing the Civic. Alright guys, so I went ahead and finished the shifter install. Oh boy. Was that chaos. I ended up getting some help. My boy Reek came out and helped me get that stuff taken care of as well. We took the 4 bolts. I have 3 of them in currently. There's 1 more I gotta put in. I'll do that off camera just because it's such a hassle. I gotta get the car up, then I gotta slide my fat ass under the car, and then have someone inside the car hold the bolt, or I guess hold the bolt on top. I run a nut and a lock washer under it, and I still have to put the gasket sealer on the underside. I'll show you guys that another video, but otherwise shifter install is done. It's pretty firm and sturdy. Once I ran those bolts in, it was like a dream. Let me go ahead and show you guys in the car real quick. Alright, so as you guys can see, shifter is in the car. Not bolted down all the way yet, but back and forth movement pretty good. But this plate super stiff, like I'm rocking the whole car with it. So I need to drill this last hole here, and my shifter will be all solid in, and we'll be good to go. It's pretty square. I like where it's at now, so I can. Yeah. So I like where it's at now. So I'll be able to, you know, bang some gears out, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. With that reverse. Oh shit, I totally just put it back in the fourth. Oh wait, I put it back in the third. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyways guys, the last thing I need to do is cut a hole. Well, actually, this needs to go here. This needs to go here, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off. Just drill 2 little holes so I can run these cables. Actually, I may drill the holes over here. Huh. I'll drill the holes further back here and tuck them under here with the airbag wires. Cut 2 holes, run the cables right out, bolts up the transmission when the engine gets put in, and we'll be done. Alright guys, but that's it for the shifter install video. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten up the loose ends while you guys wait and watch the next video. I do appreciate the love and support. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you guys want to see. Because I mean, if I don't get any comments, I don't know what you guys want. Do you guys want more talking, less talking, more action shots of me actually doing things? So I did cut the shifter out, but I did that off camera. Do you guys want to see me mess with the angle grinder? Gotta let me know. But till next time, guys, don't forget, keep moving forward. Peace.